Now we're going to look at the setup for the Wi-Fi on the PROTEAM I series. If you're using iPhone, you can simply open the camera and scan the QR code bringing the app up to click on, and then it will open in the App Store as shown there. Now we can open the app. First of all, you're going to need to set up a username. The important thing for this is that the password must include both letters and numbers and no special characters. So for example there, we just put AES 2020. Now we need to connect to the heat pump, and this is where we will press these two buttons as shown on the screen, and therefore showing there. And what we're looking for is that the Wi-Fi symbol on the display will start flashing. It's quite a long pause between the flashes, so just need to take a little bit of time before it comes up. Now we're going to connect the heat pump to your local Wi-Fi. So by pressing this, we're looking for the local Wi-Fi. Ours is AES, and at this point we're going to put a password in, which is the password for your wireless. This is actually, now click on binding, and this is what this is doing, is actually setting your heat pump to connect to your local wireless LAN. That's step one done. Now what we need to do is actually change your Wi-Fi on your phone so that we're actually connecting directly to the heat pump, and that's so that we can do all of the pairing devices between your heat pump. So in the Wi-Fi you can now see your actual heat pump Wi-Fi address. Click on that, and as soon as you get a tick to say that it's connected, we can then go back into the app. So now we have a tick, as you can see there. Go back to the app. Now we can set the name for your heat pump. So we're just going to call it AES. Now what's going to happen is it's going to load the script from your heat pump, which is all the data from your heat pump with the settings, etc. And it'll bring you back to the home screen. Now we need to restart so that we can actually log in. So if we go cancel, back to the home screen, log in using the details that you registered, and we can now see that the heat pump is connected via the wireless directly to the app. Now we will show you the app in real time with the display and the buttons being pressed on the app. So we turn it on, you can see the unit is responding and turns on. Turn it off, the unit is turned off. We can also change the mode. As you can see here, we've got cooling, heating, or auto. So if we change it to cooling, you can see it's changed on the display. Change it again to heating only and accept, and you can see it's gone to the sun. Also, we can do that with the speed functionality. This is whether it's in silent mode, smart mode, or boost, and we can do that by clicking on the different icons, and the unit responds and changes its position. We can also look at the data that's currently being displayed. This is showing the inlet temperatures, the current ambient, etc. You can also look at the error log, which there's no faults obviously at the moment because we're not seeing it. And we can also change the temperature setting. That's the desired temperature that we want.